In this video, we will be going through the steps involved in using the NMEAremote application on an iPhone, also available on iPad and Apple Watch. To be able to see the engine data being output by our A037 Engine Data Monitor, Quark-elec products can work with many popular navigation apps on both mobile phone and tablet. First, we need to connect our mobile phone to the Wi-Fi network being created by our A037. If being used in ad hoc mode, simply enter the password saved in the configuration tool of the A037. If set up using station mode, simply connect your device to the same Wi-Fi network as the A037 is connected to. Upon launching the application for the first time, you'll be greeted with a configuration page for the NMEA source. From here, you can add an array of sources. There will be an extensive list of supported manufacturers and sources. We can search for Quark-elec and tap the results shown. We then need to set up the network details from the connected network. You can find these details from the configuration tool on the A037, shown on screen now. The only settings needed to be changed are the host/IP and port number. Please note, port number must be 81, regardless of the port shown on our configuration tool. If successful, data will be shown on the screen when enabled. We can then navigate to the engine page by scrolling. The order of this list can be amended in the settings. If a shown parameter is not required, simply double tap on the relevant section, tap the cog in the top right corner, and you can choose from a wide range of parameters. Please note that only parameters supported and connected by the A037 will show data.